Never post that video. Cassandra Hutchinson. You should have never post that video. Depa internet I call up my name. But you call man this morning. Make if you understand so the man there Jamaica cry real tears, bro. Tears are run down on the man's face. The man said, Jesus Christ, me and that girl never. Me know you lie still, you know. But when you're willing to go up on the internet, go do that to somebody, you know. Virgin, the man down at Jamaica cry real tears, you know. Say police won't come blood clot kill him, you know. Because the man said, the man Cassandra never, ever from him born talk on the phone, you know. And you there on internet, I said, Virgin, the man a ball. The man a live a clean life. The man married, have pitney, a work. The man a live a clean life. You there on internet, I call up the man name. The man say need to see an inspector, a superintendent. Because a liar tell upon him, I know like you lying up blood clot, you know. That's why I tell my mother say, anytime you start talk, record you because you lie bad, you know, man. You see me? Yeah, she come on internet attack with her voice. Oh, I mean, you so send them a school. Bridget, that's not her real voice. Me I gonna make you hear her real voice. This is one time she see my mother down a park. Listen what she said when she see my mother down a park.
That's why the driver come realize it. Me open her get and she a back. That me say no what? I want she come to war. With a blood clot war me want washing. So when I say me go open her house and she have a...
That is Cassandra Hutchinson for you in a nutshell. Next point, immigration. Come here, I know try to say no. Now, your man up at Kingsville, Ontario. I said, me come up on farm work. I'm a visa up December the 15th, which is true. My visa up December the 15th. So sure to God. The man saying sure to God me not have status. Bro, that man don't know how much later in a status. Shut the fuck up. You can't spell status. Bro, the man saying sure. Bro, the people reach an embassy yesterday. Canadian High Commission. The people them reach yesterday, Waterloo Road. I tell them, say, yo, them to send for me. Because me undocumented. Me undocumented. Virgin, me go help you. Because me understand, say, you not get no justice yesterday. So me go help you. This is how we are going to do. This is IRCC, Zine, Immigration Canada. What you call him? Mississauga, 800-926-9165. Etobicoke, 888-242-2100. Toronto. 416-954-1000. Just call him. You know my real name already. You know my date of birth if you remember 27th of the 2nd, 1993. The federal government already know me live, so I have to tell them my address. Watch you now. Them send a check, come give me. Alright, stop up in. When say me undocumented from December. That check here will get if you look, you see my name on there. If you look, you see the date right there, so. July, me get this check. July the 28th, for advance. Me get that check there, me dash that check there. Me lodge it already in my account. Then me get the next check. Remember me undocumented now. And I'm supposed to be a fugitive. Fucking fugitive. Me a fugitive. The federal government send this one give me I'm a fugitive, you know. Watch a style you know. This one you know, where it say GST, HST. I'm name that again pande. Look on the date. That one here, the 5th of July 2023. Remember, you know, I only say me undocumented from 2022, you know. That should have checked there again. Draft one next check. The government, more time around them home me. Yo, them send that one here, the 14th of July 2023 again. What I want to say, climate action. Me a Canadian man, I just my passport more. Humble yourself. Immigration and self send document come give me 2023. See it there. Border security themselves, who is responsible for deportation, by the way, send document come give me 2023 undocumented and the girl. The next thing, money. What you say? Me never send the money come give my mother yet. Youth. Me send money go give my mother every fortnight without fail. Plus $1,800 credit every 2 weeks. Me tell her to stop work. Because when me a give her, more than what them a pay her. So let's start about something else. Because me have my notes, you know. House. Virgin. Yeah, I was say your mama that invite you to come build an house. I was right there, you know, my friend. I was right there, you know. My mother tell you to go get somewhere for yourself, you know. When you go down a Copacabana and you come back and you tell the woman about, oh, you can't pay rent for $16,000 a month and have a share kitchen. You go out you hear the house out of Prospect rent, you go out there, rent too expensive. You hear the house out of Retreat, you go out there, them have water problem. Every day, you go look house, you come back with a different story. And I go talk about mother come invite you to build house. Virgin, you're a police, you know. You're an officer of the court, you know, youth. You're not a civilian, you know. lawyer, police, clerk of court, only can behave like how everybody else behave in a Beijing. And that you need to understand, you know. Oh, yeah, but you say, if you didn't start the house, before you turn police, I would understand, bro. But after you turn police, you go build up house and capture land. In a one ghetto. Your mother invite you to come build up house and capture land in a one ghetto as a police officer. Make this make sense. Make this make sense. The woman tell us, listen, you not build no house not from scratch over there. The house is already reached lintel. And my mother tell us, the hall. Because my mother take out room, bathroom, kitchen, veranda, hall. And she only done the room and the veranda. And she tell us, yo, take slap the hall or put a zinc on it, build on a bathroom. But this is how you are going to do. Me remember, you know, you are going to live in it and you are going to look somewhere for yourself. When you get somewhere different, you can rent it or she will buy it from you. Because mother have, father have, blessed to the child will have their own, bro. But woman invite if you come, belly a police are coughing a man. You want to go Virginia 15 years, you're in the force, you know, and you're still a constable. You're in the force 15 years, and you're still a constable. Nobody not take you serious, because I never see that yet. Me never see that yet, Virgin. And the next thing you say, you send me to school. Alright, I'm poor at math. Someone wants somebody to help me. You left school. You send me to school. You left school 2004, Seaford High School. Me start Seaford High School 2005. You go back to school 2005, 2006. You got National Youth Service 2007. You got Runaway Art Institute 2008. You work at Morant Beach for Chester Fries there for a man named Mr. Brown for $4,000 a week, you know, bro. 2009 you turned police and 2010 me left school. You establish yourself in the police force in a 1 year where you could afford to send me to school, bro. Send who to school? You mean Winston Hutchinson? You come on the internet, I go on like, bro, you tell my mother say you have to go LFR. No, no matter how you're bright and intelligent, as a Jamaican we have slang. The whole I will speak with colloquialism. What does it mean when you say, me must go hell for you? You're going to make hear it.
And she goes like you.
You're a criminal in a police uniform. Them tell us, say, listen, don't lock the gate, pan the woman. This is how they, yo, listen to, when she call police for my mother, I tell my mother record it. Listen to this. This is my mother attack to the police them.
Aye, look at this now. It's who first me got in January. It's who tell she say, you cannot lock the gate. And it's who tell me say, me cannot lock the gate because it's what we have asset in here. And when you know, she lock the gate. And who no can get the key from her. Tell me what to do.
When the superintendent tell you, do not lock the gate, this is what you said.
Time for action. And I will take the action. One station can. Nobody else will tell the superintendent and say, this is up. Can't go take you to man and take on you.
Don't lock the gate. Because two of you have asset in there. And you defy your superintendent youth. Not a corporal, not a sergeant. You defy your superintendent. You defy your commanding officer, bro. She gave you an order and you did the exact opposite. You don't have no respect or regards for your supervisors or your superiors, bro. You, one look a bagger constable for 15 years. You make the entire Morant Bay constabulary look bad. I understand says all for one and one for all and one police in distress. Everybody go jump on and try to help her, but at what cost, bro? Because I'm going to read for you over when it's going to stop. One look constable when I have no use. You're going to tell me say they're in the force for 15 years and nobody recognize the potential when they could have said, alright, go on a cop, I'll go. You should have never posted that video.